Starting around the 7th of May 2023, Algorand in a real sense is exchanging at 17 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.04% in most recent 60 minutes. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. ALGO sort of has a truly complete market cap of $1,263,761,446 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $30,151,408 in an unpretentious manner. This in a real sense makes Algorand really positioning at 41 in the digital money market in an especially significant manner. In the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand really be in every practical sense, worth in 2023? Is Algorand a very wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will ALGO cost generally outperform its record-breaking high in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking? These especially are our Algorand cost expectations for LGO's future in an every way that really matters, significant way. Algorand value expectation 2023, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per the Algorand figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the ALGO cost most certainly is supposed to essentially cross a kind of normal value level of 22 cents. The normal least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the really current year ought to in every practical sense be 21 cents in a genuinely significant way. Besides, ALGO can generally arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 25 cents, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand value conjecture May 2023. For May 2023, the cost of Algorand for the most part is generally anticipated to explicitly arrive at a truly normal cost of 18 cents, while the coin could exchange between a buy and large limit of 19 cents and an especially least of 17 cents in an unpretentious manner. Algorand value expectation June 2023. The cost for Algorand in June 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 18 cents and 20 cents, which basically is very huge, while the typical exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around 19 cents in a significant manner. ALGO value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Algorand in a real sense is estimated to be at around a for the most part least worth of 18 cents amazingly. The Algorand value worth can truly arrive at a genuinely limit of 21 cents with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 19 cents in USD in an especially significant way. Algorand value conjecture August 2023. The normal cost of Algorand could go to 20 cents toward the finish of August 2023, so as per the Algorand figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ALGO cost truly is supposed to in every practical sense cross a kind of normal value level of 22 cents. The normal truly least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to be 21 cents in an unobtrusive manner. ALGO could fundamentally be exchanging around a most extreme worth of 21 cents with the truly least expected cost of 19 cents. Lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand value expectation September 2023. Algorand cost really is supposed to reach between 20 cents to 22 cents in September 2023, while the essentially normal cost of a LGO for the September sort of stays around 20 cents. Algorand value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand certainly is supposed to generally be at around in every practical sense, least of 20 cents in a significant way. Algorand cost can in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely limit of 23 cents with the sort of typical cost of 21 cents in USD, which really is very huge. Algorand value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Algorand sort of is anticipated to arrive at an in every way that really matters normal cost of 22 cents, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of 24 cents and in all things considered, least of 21 cents in an unpretentious way. Algorand value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the genuinely most extreme cost for Algorand could basically stretch around 25 cents. Besides, the minimum cost of a LGO in December 2023 truly is 21 cents with a typical cost of 22 cents, which fundamentally is very critical. Algorand certainly passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been most certainly diminished by 1.5% in its exceptionally current worth, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Assuming that we basically look at the kind of current market cap of the ALGO with yesterday, you can explicitly see that the market cap by and large is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand in every practical sense is confronting an exceptionally difficult time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins in an especially enormous manner. The ALGO sort of is down to nearly 4.01% in the for the most part most recent 7 days, which really shows that ALGO value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Algorand in a real sense is determined to basically be at around an all things considered, least worth of 18 cents in an unobtrusive way. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for truly beyond couple of days. The coin could truly have kind of solid essentials yet. We don't in a real sense feel that it would a beneficial resource in fundamentally present moment, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of a LGO especially diminished by 20.939%, dispensing with an incredible pretty typical amount of 4 cents from its in every way that really matters. Current worth in a fundamentally significant way. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an essentially decent by and large purchase, a potential open door for especially speedy speculation. Pretty further appearance how this for the most part makes Algorand genuinely positioning at 41 in the digital currency market, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change basically is near 25.30%, and the cost truly circled from a really least by and large normal cost of 22 cents to in every practical cent. Most extreme truly normal cost of 24 cents in the precise beyond 90 days. In sort of most recent 4 months, Algorand has shown a developing pattern, which for the most part shows that Algorand value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Algorand basically is by and large anticipated to especially arrive at a sort of typical cost of 22 cents, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of 24 cents and a sort of least of 21 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Accordingly, we truly feel that comparative pieces of the market essentially were very famous at that period, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Algorand in every practical sense is expanded from 4 months. So Algorand generally is confronting an extremely tough time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, or so they basically thought. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its value, in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin in a real sense is up by 1.93%, with the sort of most extreme by and large normal cost of the coin explicitly was around 20 cents and the base kind of typical cost of truly was around 18 cents and certainly beyond 4 months. For the most part, further appearance how Algorand really is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. Algorand value gauge 2023 FAQs. What will fundamentally be Algorand truly worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? The ALGO cost explicitly is determined to essentially arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of 25 cents with sort of least cost of 21 cents toward the finish of 2023 in a kind of significant manner. Does Algorand for the most part have a future in a truly significant manner? As far as value, Algorand explicitly has an extraordinary especially potential to in every way that really matters, arrive at new levels. By and large, further appearance how Algorand value figure 2023 FAQs. What will generally be Algorand genuinely worth in 2023? It really is conjecture that LGO will increment in esteem, exhibiting how in most recent 4 months Algorand by and large has shown a developing pattern, which essentially shows that Algorand value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Algorand fundamentally is in every practical sense anticipated to arrive at a very normal cost of 22 cents, while the coin